Good morning, everyone. This is Linda. So, I am in my front garden, and today I want to plant some bulbs and flowers out here. So, I have four strips of flower beds out here, right? So, I want to show you all this one. So, I came in to show you all this one. But first of all, let me say welcome. Welcome to my channel, and thank you for stopping by. Yes. So, if this is your first time, thank you and welcome. And if you're returning, thank you for coming back. Yes. But what you're looking at here is an ant pile. Yes. Now, I have a subscriber a beautiful family that I'm subscribed to. It is called the Louisiana Gardening Family. And so he was saying how he wanted a very organic way of getting rid of ants. So he said that, I don't know if he said someone told him or whatever, but anyway, he showed us what he did was he took some ants from one pile and put it in another pile, and he said, then they all will go away. Well, guys, that is what I did. So I took some ants from another pile and put it in here because these ants was all around this four-year-old Dollar Tree Gladiolus that I have out here. And the ants was all around it. Well, as you can see, there is no ants. There is no ants. I put those ants in here with these ants from another bed. And will you look at that? So to the Louisiana gardening family, yes, thank you. I figure I'm going to try it. It won't cost me anything to try it, right? And I tried it, and it works, guys. It works. So I thank you so much. And I know this gladiola is like, yeah, get rid of those buggers. But I thank you all. That was great. It was a great tip. It was a great experiment. Yep. And it works. Guys, this is, I received this by, who is this? Amazon Prime. Yeah. It is 3 5-gallon grow bags with trays, and it came with this. Yeah. And they are beautiful. But there is no note, there is no name. I don't know who sent them to me, but whoever sent them, I want to thank you so much. They are beautiful. They are from, these bags are recycled by using plastic from water bottles. Yeah, recycled plastic water bottles. That's what they made this fabric from. This is beautiful, but I don't know who sent them. I don't know the name, but I thank you so much. This is so sweet just to know that someone want to send you something so sweet. This is the company Root Pouch. Yeah, look at that. But to whoever sent it, I want to thank you so much. Yep, I'm going to fill them up and I'm going to drop some seeds in them. Yes, I will. Oh, wow. It is so sweet. I wish I could thank you properly, but I guess you did not tell me your name for a reason, but I thank you. I truly thank you. Yes, I do. And I will be showing them so you can see what I'm growing in them, so you will know that I'm using your gift. And it is greatly appreciated. All right. Thank you so much. Later, y'all.